All right, so here we are with our ribbon. So now if there is a pattern to this and you have a way that you want this pattern, pay attention to that, because you know there's a back to most cakes, right? So there's going to be a back to this one, and I'm going to keep the stripes going back and forth like this. So I'm going to start here.
You start at the back?
Start at the back.
Okay.
And
What is your method of
do
starting?
a thin line across this. Make sure I can do this. Viewing you.
So that was a little dab, a wee bit of the hot glue.
Yep. This one you want to make sure it cools so it stays strong, so that you can pull it tight and not have it start sliding on you.
Now, are you starting the ribbon at the bottom or the top or in the middle, or does it matter?
Well, see my stripes?
Right.
So I'm starting it in the middle because I want my stripes like this.
But I mean on the 6 o'clock position. Yeah, the 6 o'clock position.
I mean
Is this in, are you trying to go flush bottom of it, flush top? Your alignment, the alignment of the ribbon.
This?
Is that in the
Okay,
center?
I'm going straight in the middle because
Okay,
I remember I got the thickness of my board,
Right.
the thickness of my ribbon.
Okay.
Right? So you want it centered.
Okay.
Your subsequent ribbons, you can go top, you can go middle, you can go bottom, you can go zigzag. I mean, you can do whatever you want to. Okay, that's nice and cool. All right. So now I'm just gonna go, because I'm gonna put one around the middle. This is a little bit of a see-through ribbon. Can you see that? It's a little bit transparent.
Yeah.
You want to be kind of careful with those. One, you can get burned with your glue.
Yeah.
Two, it can kind of show the glue. So see how it's kind of showing my glue?
Yeah.
Okay, that's why I'm also going to put another opaque ribbon on top of that.
Okay.
Make sense?
So if you don't want the glue to show through, you should probably get ribbon that isn't transparent.
Right, just opaque.
All right.
Lacy
Also,
ribbons,
practice.
tricky. You might want to put down like a base color, even if it's white,
Yeah.
and then you can put the lace on top.
Gotcha.
There's some pretty neat, oh man, you can go crazy with ribbons. There's some super cool ones out. Like that metal ribbon. Oh my word.
Yeah.
About came out of my skin when I saw that.
Yeah.
What?
But since this is adding an entire new level to your decorating, it'd be worth the time to practice this and to go check stuff out and to play with it and go, okay, this is too thin or this is, you know, whatever. I think this is so great.
Woo!
Impressive.
I only have so much length here.
And you're just running a thin bead of
Just a thin bead of ribbon.
the hot glue before you
Yeah.
put her down there.
Right. And I'm making sure it's, you know, again, snug, right? So I don't have any like wavy gaps. That's ugly. We don't want that.
So this is, in a word, taut.
Yes. Excellent word.
Very cool. This is a whole different level of impressiveness, you know? Without the, I don't think it is as difficult. I mean, you once you get this down,
Oh, it's so easy once
you
you get
crank
it down.
these out and you go, okay,
So easy.
let's finish it off correctly.
Yeah. Each week
Yeah.
starts with all the boards get made first thing Monday morning for the cakes for that week.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, that's how that happens.
Huh. All right, since
Okay.
it's behind your hand, talk to us about what are you
Whoop.
doing?
Okay, so I'm cutting.
You're just matching up the,
I'm leaving a tab.
oh, okay.
See that?
Okay, good to
Okay.
know.
So that now when I put my other ribbon on top, then at the end we're gonna fold them over and finish it off like that. Okay?
Gotcha.
But so we're gonna leave our tab undone.